Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to change and customize your profile in the Apple Games app on macOS Tahoe 26. With macOS Tahoe 26, Apple has launched a dedicated Games app so that you can catch up with all of your topics and track your achievements with utmost ease. And for a more personalized experience, it also allows you to fully customize your profile so that it's always in line with your taste. That's it, let's get started. So first you have to launch the Apple Games app on your Mac, and then you have to hit your profile at the top right. Then you have to hover the pointer over the existing profile and click on the edit button. Now you can set a memoji as your profile or choose to go with a cool monogram. For a more fun-loving experience, go with a custom memoji and design it perfectly using poses and styles. And once you have perfectly customized your avatar, make sure to click on the Save button to finish, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily change and customize your profile in the Apple Games app on macOS Tahoe. Whether you are updating your avatar or refining your nickname, these personal touches help you stand out while connecting with friends and tracking achievements. So enjoy making your gaming profile truly yours, and I'll catch you up in the next one.